Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at omissive apostrophes. Apostrophes are used to show where letters have been missed when we write contractions. This is called omission. A contraction is where two words are combined together to make a shorter one. These are commonly used in informal writing. Let's take a look at some examples. I am can be shortened to I'm by replacing the a with an apostrophe. Is not can be shortened to isn't by replacing the in not with an apostrophe. The two words are put together and a letter is omitted, usually a vowel. We put an apostrophe where the letter has been missed. Let's look at a question about apostrophes for omission. This question asks you to draw lines between the pairs of words and the correct contractions. Top tip: remember there should be an apostrophe where the letter has been missed. It is contracted to its, with the apostrophe replacing the middle I. Its is not a contraction, but a possessive pronoun. You are is contracted to your, and the apostrophe is placed where the a has been omitted. Your is incorrect, as there has not been a letter omitted where the apostrophe is. Let's practice a bit more with another question. This question asks you to write the contracted form of the underlined words. Do not go outside because it is raining. Pause the video here and have a go. You might want to write your answer on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. Have you got an answer? Great, let's take a look at what the answer is. Do not becomes don't, with the apostrophe where the vowel o has been omitted. Top tip: when the second word is not, the apostrophe always goes where the o has been omitted in not. Well done if you got that one right. Hoo-yah! Let's take a look at one more question. This question asks you to punctuate the sentence correctly using two apostrophes. You might want to say your answer out loud, or you could write it on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. It's time to visit the zoo, where the elephant hasn't been seen in its enclosure for days. Pause here to have a go at punctuating the contractions. Have you finished? Perfect. Let's take a look at the correct answer. It's time to visit the zoo, where the elephant hasn't been seen in its enclosure for days. It is a shortened form of it is, which is now a contraction. The I is omitted and an apostrophe has been added in its place. Hasn't is a contracted form of has not. The o in not has been omitted and an apostrophe has been added in its place. Although there is another it in the sentence, this is a possessive pronoun and has not been contracted from it is. Well done if you got both of those right. Hoo-yah! You should now feel a little bit more confident when using apostrophes for omission. If you're looking for more English help, then we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so go and check them out.